Hi everyone, I'm Alison. Today we're going to continue with bonds. We'll be looking at hydrogen bonds, how they're formed, and where they're commonly found in biology. First of all, let's get rid of some jargon. Hydrogen bonds are intermolecular forces, which means that they form between two molecules instead of two atoms, as we've seen before for covalent bonds and ionic bonding. And these intermolecular forces form when a hydrogen atom is bonded to a strong electronegative atom in the vicinity of another electronegative atom. So before I'll go through what all of this means, let's first understand what electronegativity is. Electronegativity is the ability for an atom to attract shared electrons. And there are three atoms that are capable to do so, and they are oxygen, nitrogen, and fluorine. So let's take oxygen, for example. When hydrogen and oxygen bind together covalently, they share their electrons in this manner to form a molecule of water. But because oxygen is electronegative, the hydrogen electrons are being pulled towards the oxygen, which means that electrons will now spend more time in this side of the molecule rather than on this side of the molecule. And this shift in electron causes a partially negative charge to form on that side and a partially positive side to form on this side. And this difference in charges within the single molecule is what we call a dipole, which is a pair of equal and opposite charged poles. So this pole is negative and this pole is positive. Now, when a molecule of water interacts with another molecule of water, there's a dipole-dipole interaction occurring between the two molecules, where the partially negative charge is attracted to the partially positive charge on the other molecule, and vice versa. And this interaction between the opposite charges is what we call a hydrogen bond. So, hydrogen bonds are really important in biology because, as we just seen, they are present in water, and it's what allows water to behave the way it does. It allows for surface tension, cohesion, heat capacity, high heat capacity, and to act as a solvent. We'll be going more in detail about these in the next videos. But hydrogen bonds also form between other molecules. In proteins, they form in between amino acids to keep together their secondary structure. And proteins are very important for cellular function. So without the hydrogen bonds keeping proteins together, our cells would not be able to function properly. Also, hydrogen bonds are found in between the base pairs of DNA, holding the two DNA strands together. I hope this video was useful.